sunrise this morning is going to be fantastic. Let's go. I thought I was going to have the top of Doan to myself, but it's full of clients. Here's, what was your name again?
Johnny.
Johnny and
Daniel.
I'm using this. It's a little Sandmarc lens. Let's take a closer look at this lens. Comes with this nice pouch. Here it is. Nice metal construction, nice glass lens on the front, giving you 2 times magnification. You get 2 options for using this. You can screw it into this clip here, which you can then just clip over the top of your phone onto your lenses, but what I prefer is to use this, the case that you put directly onto your phone, and then you can screw the lens right on here. This is the one you want to screw it onto because this is the telephoto lens. Screw that in and you're pretty much good to go. Just note that you will have to use an app that will let you manually pick which lens you want to use, because the default Apple camera actually merges the image between the 3 lenses, so you can end up with this weird distorted image. So the app I use for video is called Filmic Pro, but I'll link a couple of other apps in the description that allow you to work with this lens. And just in case you're wondering, you cannot just enlarge the image to 200%. Here is a shot without the lens. Here is the same shot with the lens. And then here is the original shot, but this time zoomed in to 200%. Now, what you will notice is that when you zoom in digitally, the image is actually sharper than it is with the lens, but it loses some character. I prefer how it looks using the lens rather than the digital zoom. What you prefer is going to be up to you, but for me, I just feel like using the lens has a bit more character. Woo! That wind is unbelievable. Oh, look at this. Oh no, I'm going through it. Look at this. It's quite cool. You've got these clouds. They're just coming in from the wind. I'm down off Doan now. It's way back up there. And just where I am, there's no wind. It was so windy up there. A lot of the footage I shot up there, I used my iPhone plus the Sandmarc telephoto lens for mobile phones. Gives you about doubles your focal length on your phone. It lets you do sort of much more compressed shots. So hopefully that footage looks good. I'm really tired, didn't sleep well last night. Slept in the van for the very first time. This is why I rarely make videos at sunset or sunrise, because it requires me to be up so early that, and I just don't seem lucid when I haven't had enough sleep, so my brain really doesn't work. If you do get a chance, I highly recommend trying to get up Doan at sunrise, because it's an easy hike. It's like 1.5 miles from car park. You can take your time, do it in just over an hour, but the clouds are coming in, settling down, so I think that brings an end. To this video. If you enjoyed it, I'd love a little like, and if you're not subscribed, you might as well go and subscribe. But yeah, bye bye.